Hi students, now we are going to solve the numerical problems in the textbook exercise in chapter wave optics. The first problem, the ratio of maximum and minimum intensities in an interference pattern is 36:1. What is the ratio of the amplitudes of the interfering waves? So it is given that I maximum is to I minimum is 36:1. So we have to find the individual amplitudes of the two sources. Now first I maximum divided by I minimum is also equal to A1 plus A2 the whole square divided by A1 minus A2 the whole square. And this is equal to now 36:1. So this is 36 divided by 1. So we can write A1 plus A2 whole square divided by A1 minus A2 the whole square is equal to 6 square by 1 square. So 36 is 6 square and 1 square is 1. Now if I remove these squares on all the sides, so taking square roots, we can write A1 plus A2 is equal to 6 into A1 minus A2. Okay, this is 6 by 1. So cross multiplying A1 plus A2 will be equal to 6 into A1 minus A2. So left side is now A1 plus A2. So A1 plus A2 is equal to 6A1 minus 6A2. Now I will group the terms. So A1 will be brought on the right hand side and A2 will be brought to the left hand side. So 6A2 plus A2 is equal to 6A1 minus A1. 7A2 is equal to 5A1. Now what is asked here, A1 is to A2 is asked. So A1 divided by A2. So 5A1 is equal to 7A2. Therefore A1 by A2 is equal to 7 by 5. Or A1 is to A2 ratio is equal to 7:5 is the answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.